Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in your Ford Escape. First, check your refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant is a common culprit for poor cooling. Look for any visible leaks around the AC lines and components, as oil or moisture can indicate a leak. Also, inspect the AC compressor clutch to ensure it engages properly when the AC is turned on. These initial checks can often pinpoint simple issues quickly, saving you time and effort. Next, let's dive into diagnosing the problem. Start by locating the AC fuse and relay, typically found in the underhood fuse box. A blown fuse or faulty relay can easily prevent your AC from working. Then, test the AC compressor for proper power and ground connections. Finally, examine the condenser and evaporator for any debris or signs of leaks, as blockages or damage here can severely impact cooling performance. Once you've identified the issue, some fixes are quite straightforward. You can recharge the AC system with the correct R134A refrigerant, following proper procedures to avoid overfilling. Cleaning or replacing your cabin air filter is also a simple task that can significantly improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Lastly, check the serpentine belt tension. A loose belt can prevent the AC compressor from operating correctly. Sometimes, AC problems are more complex and require professional attention. If you're dealing with intricate electrical issues, persistent refrigerant leaks, or a completely failed compressor, it's best to consult a certified mechanic. A new AC compressor can cost between $800 and $1,000 for parts and labor. And speaking of keeping things cool, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.